Welcome. So we'll go through this section, which is risk of narrow AI. Okay, so like, what is the risk of narrow AI? It is like there are consequences, very dangerous consequences of narrow AI if we don't have ethics in place. Okay, scientists from Future Life Institute, they have said that they have described short-term research goals, see how AI influences economy, the laws, ethics, and that are involved with AI, and how minimize AI security, like security risk. Okay, so then in the long term, the scientists have proposed to continue optimizing function while minimizing possible security risks that come along with new technologies. So there are certain measures which we have to take while this AI technology, narrow AI, is changing our lives. So we need to have ethics policies. Even governments have come up with new policies and new procedures for AI policy. Government of India has come up with Niti Aayog AI policy. European Union, they have got a lot of AI policies. They have, in different technologies, they have different policies. So that we can control it. Some are concerned about algorithm bias. If, like, you're not giving, if what is algorithm bias? It is when you don't give a correct data to algorithm, when you don't give to a machine. So what will happen, that it will be biased. Like human beings, they are biased. They take certain decisions as per their choices, their preferences. Similarly, these algorithms will be biased if we don't give them correct data and we don't structure them in a proper manner. So that the AI program may unintentionally become biased after processing data and exhibits biasness. Okay, so algorithm already have numerous application in legal system. Example is Compass, a commercial program widely used by US court to assess the likelihood of dependent becoming re it is. Okay, Pro Publica claims that the average Compass assigned recidivism risk level of blank confidence is significantly higher than an average Compass bias risk level of white defendants. So there, like, you can see the same concern, like there is a biasness in Compass design. Like, if you're when you're designing algorithm, so this is the example that how it can be biased. Okay, so we need to when we are structuring, when we are making algorithms, when we are making processes, applications in AI, so we need to consider all these factors, so that it should not be biased, it should be ethical, it should be it should be not, it should not be partial. Okay, so those are the those are the risks of narrow AI. So we'll go into the next section where we learn more about AI.